Hello, good morning. Shout out, guys. Shout out, everyone. We are live direct from Bologna, Italy. And today is Sunday. We came here to have a visit the city and to go to IKEA, Bologna, because we don't have IKEA in my town. Only we have in Bologna, IKEA. So I show you first Bologna, and this is there is a why there is a so have a enjoy, guys, watching Bologna, Italy. Thank you. I have to shout out the members of Puma. Shout out Mulya CMS channel. Shout out TSSJMT. Shout out Mang Tomas. Shout out Mikong. Shout out Ana Maria Mandato. Shout out Joe and Zany Journey. Shout out Aimee Rajiv Vinay. Shout out Aba in the house. Shout out Matthias Barchak. Shout out Kamti. Shout out Georgina Lumakang. Shout out Ben Adam. Shout out Matit Stop USA. Shout out Monday Amore Official. Shout out Hadija. Shout out Daniel. Shout out Alessandra Mucci. Shout out Leah 6B. Shout out Reggie Luego. Shout out Alabama USA. Shout out Nora Perez channel. Shout out Nicolas Strachuta. Shout out YouTube Bono. Shout out PMTV. Shout out Enjoy channel. Shout out Rismi channel. Shout out. I am reading, guys, the members of Puma, guys. Puma 33. Christy SDC vlog. Shout out Insinauli Mix. Shout out Fish English vlog. Shout out Kuya Dani Blasa. Shout out Crazy Kid 949. Shout out Shinshin. Shout out Kuni Kuni B. Shout out Twin Bisong Red. Shout out Puma 33 main channel. Shout out Nob. Shout out Lishat. Shout out Puma 33 second channel. Shout out Popot A Music. Shout out Mami Marites. Shout out GTV Mix Vlog. Shout out Master Worm. Shout out and Lores Cabanya. Shout out Modern Time Express. Shout out Leah Desante. Shout out The Gardener. Shout out Arasa Movers Motovlog. Shout out Balio Mpinke. Shout out Fantastic ASMR. Shout out. Thank you Puma 33. Thank you very much Amore Tesoro de la Gia. Those are members of Puma 33. Now I shout out my members: Chinchin, Ate Chinchin, Lynn RM, Ate Lynn, Mystic LM, Nelia Mix TV, and Nelia. Thank you very much. And my another member, CDA Ministry, thank you. Shout out. Simply Kusina Mamita, thank you. Shout out. Aba Nation Official, shout out. Michelle, shout out.